camping again. Are you going camping soon? Do you have everything that you need? Maybe there's a couple of things that might make your camping a lot more fun and a lot more easy, and you've never thought of them. Hello friends, I'm Sara Marvel, your friendly festival organizer, and I'm here with 10 items that I cannot live without when I go camping. And I think they might be 10 items you might not even thought of. I've got 10 tips on camping can't live withouts. Here we go.
Mama DG's Organic Salve has been a sponsor of Lucidity Festival for a number of years, but any beeswax-based salve will work for this use. It hydrates dry skin, treats open wounds, and also serves an alternative purpose. If you have a grouchy old zipper on your tent or any of your other gear, rub a little salve on it, and the zipper will work like brand new. Additionally, it's also good for little doggy paws. Super glue is always great to have if something breaks while you're out camping, but my good friend Mama Does suggests it for temporary wound care and protecting cuticles if you're out camping in a harsh, dry environment like at Burning Man. Organize all your normal pain relievers, tummy settlers, and vitamins you need into one pill or craft organizer to maximize space and ensure you have an easeful and prepared camping trip. Sometimes our bodies don't enjoy nature quite as much as we want to, but with a little preparation you can combat all pollen, dust, and itch-giving plants that might otherwise keep you from enjoying the great outdoors. There is a reason many outdoor festivals give out bandanas. You can soak them for a cold compress, turn them into a mask if things get dusty, and of course eliminate the need to bring a bulky box of tissues. You don't need backup pairs of glasses if you bring a small, lightweight glasses repair kit along with you. If temperatures get colder than what you planned for, packing along a Mylar emergency blanket could quite literally save your life, not to mention all the space of extra blankets you won't have to bring. Camping quickly loses its charm if you suddenly find yourself stranded among the wild. That's why having a battery bank that can jump your car can be almost as important, if not more so, than charging your cell phone. So I chose one that can do both. Despite its age and wear, this coffee maker makes enough coffee for a large group of people or just an overzealous coffee lover like myself. Ditch the single-use cutlery and bring along your own utensils wherever you roam. Lucidity offers these EndSingleUse branded utensils, straws, and mugs so you can be ready for any meal and do your part to keep our parks clean and plastic-free for everyone.
Well guys, thanks so much for watching, and if you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to share it and comment below if you have any items that you've packed that you think are not too common that everybody else would benefit from. Again, my name is Sara Marvel, your friendly festival organizer. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you camping out there with us soon at Lucidity Festival. Have a good one!